All right. Hello and welcome, everyone. You're welcome to Crypto Biz Media. Yeah. Uh, if you can hear me, tell me your name in the comment section. If you can hear my voice clearly, I want to know your name. What's your name, and where are you calling us from, or where are you listening from? It's been a long time we've had a talk. I think 2 weeks ago now. Hi, Israel. How are you doing? How are you doing tonight, Israel? It's been a long time we've had a talk like this, we've had a conversation like this, we've had a webinar like this, we've had a meeting like this. Um, Fine, I can see a lot of people joining in now. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So if your friend is not here, kindly remind them. Tonight we'll be looking at something special, right? And we're also going to be diving into Bybit. Yeah, I can see you all. I can see Israel. I can see Ishak. Okay, sorry, I can see Al Alama from Oshun. I don't know if I got that name right. Excuse me, I don't want to get your name wrong at all. I can see Tricia from Uyo. I can see Williams from Abuja. I can see David Mark from Lagos. I can see Miracle from Lagos, Nigeria. I can see Shodia from Dan. Okay, I can see Daniel from Abeokuta. I can see Yunus from Yobe State. I'm very familiar with Yunus from Yobe State. I think there's one Yunus like that joins us every time. I hope you are still the same person. I can see Victor. Victor, where are you from? I can see Adebayo from Ghana. Adebayo, how is Ghana? How is Ghana? How is Ghana? I hope those people are feeling the heat of is it Dremo and those other guys that are doing this rap battle and all of those things. But I think that thing already died down. It was throughout last week we had Dremo and the rest doing rap battles with drama musical artists and also Sarkodie. Yeah, David, I'm doing very fine as well. So Chuku from Ede, Osun State. Those are Adeleke people. Anderson from Lagos, you're welcome. Bolawan from Lagos, I can see you. Gift from Delta, I can see you. Aha, yeah. Abdullah from Suleja, I can see Ima from Lagos. I can see Bennett from Delta State. I can see Rakib, but he's only saying hello. You should tell us where you're from. I can see Adewale from Ibadan. I can see Emmanuel from Lagos. I can see Anointing. I can see Paul from Rivers. I can see Runo from Delta. I can see Evans from Edo. Um, Leah from Lagos State. I can see Mohammed from Kwara State. I can see Joshua from Borno. Yeah. I can see Biplank from Jos, Dre from Lagos, Ndubisi from Delta, Favor from Port Harcourt. You all are welcome. You all are welcome tonight. I'm very, very excited that we have quite a number of people right here with me tonight. Yeah, so to some people, I don't need no introduction, but to many, I need introduction, right? So, who is this guy talking to you right now? Who is this guy hearing his voice, but cannot see his face right now? My name is Rock, and I'm also a crypto trader, just like you guys here, right? I'm not just a crypto trader, I'm also a crypto tutor, which is the main reason why I'm here with you guys tonight, right? One of these sessions is built to make sure that we guide you to the right path in trading and to make sure that you maximize profits and minimize losses, right? That's like our motto. Do you understand? So I am currently watching Crypto Based Media, and this particular session is proudly sponsored by Crypto Pastor. Do you understand? So if not for Crypto Pastor, you will be here tonight. So I want you to give a shout out or a thank you to Crypto Pastor, right? Yeah, so once again, my name is Rock, and tonight we'll be looking at something very interesting: how to use Bybit X Notcoin free $50 derivative airdrop. But first, I'd like to ask, how many of you guys here got that airdrop? Did you get the extra? Did you get the extra airdrop from Bybit? Did you get the extra? Wow, wow, this is crazy. Ethereum has $3,400. This thing is killing me. Are you serious? I had a long set on Ethereum. Oh. That pump is definitely crazy. I checked Ethereum like some minutes ago, and I was saying like 3,100. Wow. I think one of my take profit has hit too. That's nice. What kind of candle is this? Guys, let me open Ethereum chat so you guys will see. What the hell? What the hell? Let me open Ethereum chat. Ah, see, crypto is crazy. We are just talking. Oh. See, my TP1 is hit already. Interesting. Interesting. I love this. I love this. Ethereum, keep it up. Keep it up. I really want you to get to that TP3. I really want it. I love this. Crypto is crazy. You can be doing something, you can be sleeping safe, and you'll be printing money. Very, very crazy. All right, let's continue. Let's continue. Okay, I think let me just share my screen so I won't forget. Let me share my screen with you guys. Yeah, I'm going to be sharing this entire window and share. Yeah, I hope you all can see my screen now. So this is Ethereum I was talking about. It has already hit my take profit one. Look at it. Just in fact, how many minutes ago? I'm sure it's not up to an hour. God of mercy. Just this last hour, from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Is that 7 o'clock hour? Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, so as I was saying, tonight we are going to be looking at something very interesting. And I asked that how many of you guys got that airdrop? How many of you guys got that airdrop? Let me stop sharing my screen for now so everything doesn't look crazy. Right. So how many of you guys got the Bybit and Notcoin airdrop? How many of you guys? Okay, I'm seeing a lot of no. So you guys didn't get that airdrop. Wow. Okay, okay. I can see Adewale got $100 in notes. That makes sense. 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 So the gist is that this is actually what happened, right? I think it was on May 16 when everybody was hyped up that yes, you are going to claim our Notcoin bonus. Actually, I also mined Notcoin, but the fact was that I didn't really put my energy into it. At the end of the day, I only had like 500 Notcoin. But I say, let me just withdraw this thing, right? So I withdrew it into my Bybit wallet, right? I withdrew it into my Bybit wallet, and then I was seeing it there when I wanted to sell. I was seeing like $3. I'm like, what's this? Let me just leave this thing. This $3 is nothing, man. This $3 is nothing. It's not even up to stop loss money. What am I even saying? Let me just leave it. Whatever is going to happen, let it happen. I don't care whether Notcoin pumps or Notcoin dumps. I really don't care, right? So a lot of people also got allocation. At least I know about 5, close to 10, 20 people of my contacts that got allocations from Notcoin, and their profits were like $200, $300, $400, $500, and all of those things, right? Now, Notcoin actually partnered with a lot of exchanges so that but there was one thing that happened when Notcoin wanted to launch on Bybit. People that actually deposited to Bybit, the Notcoin did not come in on time, right? It was very, very slow to come in. And at the end of the day, some people they were like saying Bybit is this, Bybit is that. So because of this, Bybit actually planned an extra airdrop. So they don't even care whether the Notcoin you got was $3 or whether the Notcoin you got was $500 or $1,000. Bybit actually did an extra airdrop. They airdrop free $30 MNT, 30 MNT, which is at that time it was valued at $30, right? $1 per MNT. So they airdrop like $30 worth of MNT. That was the first thing I saw. Then second time again, I checked my wallet. I was like, something is wrong. But I noticed a little bump in my futures wallet. What's going on? And then I checked again. I was scrolling through social media, and then I saw the info that Bybit actually airdropped extra $50 to derivative accounts. So if you actually claimed your Notcoin on Bybit, then I want to say congratulations to you once again, even though you might have had the congratulations a lot of time. But the problem now is that some people don't even know how to trade these $50 free airdrop, right? But I want you guys to know that this session tonight is not just about Notcoin or just about claiming airdrop or free or derivative or anything. It's about the whole market, right? Because the way I like to start my session, I like to start my session by looking at what the market in general is doing. Do you understand? I really want to know what the market in general is doing. Do you understand that now? So now, quickly, I'm going to head over to my trading view now, right? I'm going to head over to my trading view. Oh, fine. I can see more people are joining. I can see more people are yeah, I think Ahmed also got the airdrop. Ahmed got the airdrop. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Wow, my TP level just hit too. That's interesting. That's interesting. All of that's it. So yeah, no. Yeah, what a good time to be alive. Because I was wondering, BTC was moving fast. It was only Ethereum that was slowing down. What's wrong then? What's wrong? They better start pumping it. Yeah, so quickly, let's look at the state of the markets. We look at where the market is going in general. We'll see how bullish the market actually is. And, God so good, you all witnessed the pump that just happened on Ethereum now. So I'm going to be sharing my screen, share screen. Share screen. Yeah, yeah, perfect. So yeah, let me start with Bitcoin, right? Let me start with Bitcoin. So currently, Bitcoin is in $69,000. God of mercy. You shouldn't try to short Bitcoin right now. You shouldn't try to short Bitcoin right now. Please don't try it. For now, respect the pump because right now, what I'm seeing, there is actually a crazy volume that is moving into Bitcoin. And the thing is that although we might have a resistance at $73,000, right? You can see this. Can you guys see hear me? Okay, okay. I hope you guys can see hear me. Give me a second, please. Just give me 1 sec. 1 sec. Give me 1 sec. Yeah. I hope you all are still with me. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I hope everyone is still with me. Hope everyone is still with me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm here now. I'm here now. I hope you can hear me clearly now. So, as I was saying, if you are not new here, you'll be very, very familiar with this my legendary charts where I had this range low and range high. Although recently I just did this little bit of uptrend in it. But Bitcoin has been following that particular movement ever since then, right? This is the Bitcoin 1 day time frame, and we just add a little bit of deviation around this area, right? And then afterwards, we continue from our range low to our range high. And right now, Bitcoin, I can bet that Bitcoin will break 70K tonight. Tonight, even before we finish this meeting, right? Bitcoin will definitely break 70K, right? But let's take a look at the whole chart from the 1 week time frame. Even in the 1 week time frame, right, you can see that Bitcoin is actually pumping upwards, right? Let me put this off. Right. So you can see that Bitcoin is actually heading upwards, right? Is heading upwards. Although we had a little bit of consolidation here, a little bit of a pullback and consolidation here, which is very, very normal in an healthy market, right? So it happens in an healthy market. All those times that Bitcoin was going to like $56,000, I was telling my friends, guys, relax, Bitcoin is not going anywhere. We are still in a bull market. Come on. They are still in a bull market. Everybody, most of them did not believe me. They were just selling their stuffs and losses, selling their stuffs. I said, okay, now it's your money. At the end of the day, I can just advise you. I can't make the final decision for you, right? So basically, this was actually a pathway I drew when we had our last meeting, right? If you guys remember, and I said that this part where we had that deviation was actually the result of a fake breakdown, right? The Bitcoin actually wanted to break down, but fortunately, it did not continue that breakdown. So it was just a fake out, right? So Bitcoin now later went back to the range low and continued to move upward. And as you can see, the first scenario is going through. The second scenario did not go through. And even Bitcoin actually broke this line and went further again, we might be seeing Bitcoin at around $51,000. But got so good, that did not happen. Do you understand? So currently, the state of the market is bullish. So you should be very much careful with any short you are going to be doing. In fact, it's very, very reasonable for you to short Bitcoin. Oh. I'm not saying you shouldn't short Bitcoin. Probably you want to short Bitcoin around $3,000, somewhere around here, right? But please and please make sure that your risk is very much low. Do you understand? Because there is volume. Let me pull up the volume right now. If I pull up the volume on Bitcoin right now, let me see my indicators. Volume. Yeah. If I pull up the volume now, you can see the volume of Bitcoin building up. I don't know why this thing is always there, but you can clearly see that this is a green volume. And let's move it to a 4-hour time frame. Yeah, you can see how this volume is building up at this point, right? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. That's a very, very bullish signal. Do you understand? That's a very, very bullish signal, and it means Bitcoin is not stopping. So for now, my dear traders, please and please respect the pump. Don't take trading decisions according to emotions. Do you understand? Please and please respect the pump. If your coin is in profit already, just leave it. Let it continue that profit. Like right now, my Ethereum is already in profit, right? But just leave it. Let it be in that profit and take profit as well. Please and please take profits. Take profits. It is also very much important. It is also very much important for you to take profits. So mostly in my sessions, I usually like when you guys give me suggestions of coins that you think that I should analyze, right? Suggestions of coins that you think I should analyze, right? It always makes sense. Do you understand? Right? So now, okay, I think I'm seeing someone's question. Don't worry, guys. The time for questions will still come in, right? Time for questions will still come in. Please and please, time for questions will still come in. So basically, the summary of everything we'll be talking about right now is that the market is bullish, right? Is that the market is bullish, and there's actually this coin that I've been looking at. No, not this one. This one, I was thinking that this coin was going to come to my entry. I saw it very much late. The coin actually bottomed out, but unfortunately, I saw it late. So, peradventure, if this coin later comes down to this point, I'll be very much happy and I'll take that long trade right there. Do you understand? The name of the coin is Spite. How I discovered this coin is checking the volume on Bybit, right? Now, without further ado, let's even launch the Bybit app. Do you understand? So let's quickly launch the Bybit app now. Let me stop sharing this. So we'll launch usually on laptop because of the restriction and everything. You should just go to bybitglobal.com. Usually on laptop, just go to bybitglobal.com and you'll be able to see. Hold on, guys, I'm still here. So I'm trying to log in, and then I'll share my screen with you guys. Yeah. Um. Okay. I think we are good now, right? Yeah, so usually when you get the, what is it called? Usually when you get the airdrop on your Bybit app, if you just head over to your derivative account, do you understand? Or unified, that your derivative or unified wallet, you are definitely going to be seeing the $50 there. Do you understand? So share screen, share now. Window entire. Yes. Yeah, perfect. So basically, this is the Bybit app interface, right? This is the desktop app interface. Do you understand? So this is BTC USDT. So on your phone, when you go to assets, you are definitely going to see the $50 balance. So now, how do you now make use of this $50 airdrop? I notice some people will even want to transfer this $50, and then they will see that they are unable to transfer it. Why? Because Bybit actually wanted you to use that 50 USDT to trade, right? They wanted you to use it to trade the futures market, right? Just like free $50 like that. Do you understand? Now, I'm going to be explaining this in the sense that, okay, we'll follow some trading rules, right? For instance, the position sizing rule. Normally, if I have a portfolio or I have a capital or I have $50 in my futures trading wallet, right? What I will do is basically divide that $50 into two, right? And that's $25 each, which is not so bad, right? And I'm a beginner. Do you understand? I'm a beginner and I have $50 in my trading wallet. What I'm going to do is very, very simple. Very, very simple. I'll divide that $50 into two. So I have $25 each. And I'll be entering two trades, right? Or I might just enter one trade at a time or just one trade alone. Do you understand? But I'm just going to divide this into two. Do you understand? Or um, alternatively, I can divide this into three, meaning $20, $20, and $10. Do you understand? So I can use $20 to enter a trade, $20 to enter another trade, and I'll still have $10 extra left, right? Now, how do we now enter a trade? How do we now set up a trade, or how do we now do anything that is related to a trade? Number one thing is that first we need to go and find a coin to trade. Hmm? You need to find a coin to trade. Now, if you want to find a coin to trade, especially in the futures trading market, the first thing you should do is that you should look for coins that have volume. Somebody say volume. Somebody say volume in the comment section. I want to see it. Somebody say volume. Look for coins that have volume. Coins that have volume. That's the first thing you want to be looking for. Coins that have volume, right? Now, how do you now decode coins that have volume? Now, it's very simple. On your phone, you can as well go to markets. Do you understand? Go to market on your phone. Let me just press it on my phone simultaneously too. So go to markets on your phone, and where you see favorite spot derivative, you click on derivative, right? Once you see derivative, then you definitely see all of the trading pairs. You see BTC, Ethereum, Solana, BTC, 1000 pip again. But on top of that BTC, the first trading pair you see something like trading pairs, and then beside it, you see volume. Do you understand? This is what I'm talking about. Right here now, it's showing as volume. Do you understand? Now, this volume is for you to arrange it in ascending or descending order. Now, Mine is in descending order, meaning coins from the highest volume to the lowest volume. That is what Bybit is definitely displaying for me. Are you with me? Are you with me? That is what Bybit is definitely displaying for me. From the highest volume to the lowest volume. So even if your own is not set according to volume, if you click that volume once, it's going to adjust it. If the arrow is up like this, that means it is from the lowest volume to the highest volume. But we want the small arrow, we want it to be facing down. Are you with me? So we want it from highest volume to the lowest volume. So even if you want to be trading any coin at all, what you want to be trading is coins that have high volume. Do you understand? So we have a series of coin right here. Series of coin. You can see BTC currently have 7.95 billion. Ethereum 3.38 billion. MNT 14.46 billion. GMT 20.84 million USDT. Do you understand now? So we just want to check for any of these coins and check for the one that have a chart that we can enter, right? Now let's look for OPUSDT. Let's look for OPUSDT. So fine, yeah. On trading view, you can easily come back to your trading view and then search for OP Tether USDT. We want to be clicking on the one for Bybit. This is Bybit here. Yes, this is it. This is it. So I just added OPUSDT right now. This is OPUSDT. Yeah, imagine. Look at OP itself. Oh. Look at OP. I didn't even know that I've analyzed OP one time. Let me remove all the analysis I've done. Look at OP itself. So as my phone is vibrating and ringing because Bitcoin has broken $70,000, guys. Bitcoin has broken $70,000. I'm not joking. Look at this. Bitcoin has broken 70K. Look at the OHLC value. Bitcoin has broken 70K. Okay, it's not yet recorded on here, but it's already recorded on OKX. I got the notification from OKX, right? So Bitcoin has broken 70K. Bitcoin has broken 70K again. Now, right now, like I said, we are going to be looking for a coin to long or a coin to short. So basically, I want to quickly teach you newbies something very, very easy that you can use to trade without your $50, right? And this strategy is called support and resistance. Do you understand? Now, this is how it is done. Let's say, no, before we even have the rectangle, right? Let's say in a chart, uh, looking for path. Yeah. So let's say in a chart, we have something like this. We have something like this, not so consistent, but at least something like this, something like this, something like this. Right? We have something like this that looks like chart is moving sideways. Now, as a beginner, if you want to use the support and resistance, this thing, if you want to use that technique, what you are going to do is to draw a rectangle line below where you see that the price touched that line 2 or more times. Look at it, it touched the line 1, 2, 3 times, right? Now, the next one, we'll draw it on top again. Do you get me? On top again, the price touched it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, right? So that makes the support and resistance line very valid, right? So we have a support line, we have a resistance line. Now, this is just theory. But what support and resistance basically means, or the expectation of a support and resistance chart, is that anytime that the price of this coin, if it touches the resistance, it is going to bounce back to touch the support. If it touches the support, it is going to bounce back to touch the resistance. If it touches the resistance, it's going to bounce back to touch the support. Do you understand? That's like the basic rule of the support and resistance. But there are exceptions anyways. In some points, when it touches the resistance, it will break out and continue going upward. And in some other points, when it touches the support, it will break down and continue going lower. Do you understand? But the basic ideology behind support and resistance is that once price touches either of those levels, they are like walls, they are like ceiling and your floor. Do you understand? Like they are like your roof and your floor. So anytime that the price touches it, it will bounce, bounce, bounce. Do you understand now? And I can give you a live example of this. Now, for instance, this is just theoretical, right? Let's see it in practice. This is it in practice. My range low and range high. Let's say I didn't even add this rectangle. This is my Momo rectangle. Let's remove it. Let's say I didn't add this rectangle. Now, this chart you are looking at right here. This chart you are looking at right here. We can easily spot. We can easily spot a support here. Yes or yes. You can also spot a resistance here. Yes or yes. Now, with this support and resistance I've drawn, I know that if the price is going to break through this place, it is going to bounce back from here. If it comes here, it will bounce back from here. If it comes here, it will bounce back, comes here, it will bounce back, comes here, bounce back, comes here, bounce back. Now, you as a trader, how do you now make use of this opportunity? What you want to be doing in the futures market is that anytime that the market comes here, you long it. Are you with me? Anytime that the market now touches here, you short it. Now, basically, for beginners, longing means predicting that the price of a coin will go up. Do you understand? Now, shorting means the price of a coin will go down. Look at what I did with Ethereum, right? Look at what I did with Ethereum. I longed Ethereum at this point, right? I think the price was around here when I longed Ethereum. Okay, I longed Ethereum here. I entered again here, right? So I longed Ethereum from here around 2,880 or so. I think that was my entry. Okay, it was 2,880. I didn't later enter at 2,836, but my entry was 2,880. So now I longed Ethereum. Why? Because this is a support line. And I believe that the price of Ethereum is going to increase. And right now, the price of Ethereum is currently increasing. In fact, it has already gotten to my TP1. So that means that my prediction was right. Are you with me? I predicted that Ethereum was going to go up in price, and it actually did. So the same thing you are going to be doing whenever you are predicting a coin or whenever you are playing with the futures market. Do you understand? So you either long a coin or you short a coin. Do you understand? This is totally different from the sports market. In the sport market, you just buy a coin and hold on. When the coin pump, you sell it. Do you understand? That's old buy and hold strategy. But that's for beginners. Please, advanced people will use futures. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Somebody is saying they can't hear me. Ah, you can't hear me. Network is bad. Okay, how? Can you all hear me now? If you can hear me now, send crypto-based media. Send crypto-based media in the comment section. If you can hear me now, send crypto-based media in the comment section. This is crazy. How come you can't hear me? Should be your network. Oh. So no one can hear me till now. Uh-huh. Ah, aha, fine. Fine. That's good. What's wrong? Sorry, guys. Give me 1 sec, please. Give me 1 sec. Yeah, I hope everyone can hear me now. Yes, good to see it 70K already. Good to see it 70K already. I don't know. People can be so annoying, honestly. Yeah, everything is charging. I already forgot that I didn't even plug my laptop in, and my gen has been on since morning. Anyways, it's nice. It's nice. So what were we talking about? Can somebody give me an heads up? What were we talking about? What were we talking about? Quickly, let me know in the comment section. I really want to know if you guys are following. What were we talking about? Fast, please. Fast, 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 fast. I need you to be fast. At most by 9:30 we should be off here. David, relax now. 71K tonight. Relax now. Relax now. 71K this night. Make una calm down. And in fact, it is possible, though. You know, crypto is very, very crazy. It's very, very crazy. You might keep on going on and on and on like that. Might keep on going on and on like that. Yeah, so let's move on, right? Let's move on. Yeah, God bless you, Tunde. Thank you. Thank you, Miracle. Thank you. We're talking about support and resistance, right? So we had Bitcoin moving in between two supports and resistance, right? One support here, one resistance. So if the price touches here, it goes back up, touches here, it goes back up. Like that's the normal thing. But like I said earlier, we have exceptions, right? The price might come back to this down and break down below it and continue to go downwards. Or it will just give us a fake out. It will fake us as if it's going to break down below and it will continue the upward movement. That's the same thing that happened here. It faked us. It wanted to break down below. It didn't. It's break down below a little bit. It later came back up. And then the market consolidated for a while before we now started going upward again. Now, according to the strategy of support and resistance I've been talking about since morning, if the market hits this 73K, where do you think the market is going next? Somebody should answer me in the comment section. I really want to know if you guys are following. If Bitcoin hits 73K, right? If it hits 73K, according to the law of support and resistance, according to the strategy of support and resistance, I really should put my phone on DND. Beg. According to the strategy of support and resistance, if Bitcoin hits 73K, this resistance right now, according to the law of support and resistance, what do you think will happen? Let me know in the comment section. Quickly, 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 quickly. If Bitcoin hits 73K, according to support and resistance and what I've taught you this night alone, what do you think will happen? God bless you, Miracle. Miracle is following. It's gonna bounce back. Yes, Young B is gonna bounce back. That's according to the law. God bless you. That's according to support and resistance, right? To pull back. God bless you today. God bless you. God bless you. That's it. Honestly, it's so easy. Support and resistance is so easy. It's so easy. It's so easy. Now, let me give you guys a little secret, right? Let me give you guys a little secret. You know, I told you normally it's supposed to bounce back, which is supposed to do. Why? Because according to history, it's touched this the first time, it's bounced back. It went high again, almost touched it, it went back. It went, this is the second highest it went. This is the closest it went to touching it. Let me move this thing to 1 hour time frame so you guys will see. This 1 hour time frame self get wahala. Aha! This is the closest it's got around here, 72.8K. See, around 72K. But it still did what? It still went downwards. Now, this shows that this resistance level is so strong. It's so strong. Now, a typical trader, once Bitcoin gets to 73K, a typical trader will do what? Will short Bitcoin. Are you with me? Why? Because of the support and resistance. Is somebody with me? Because of the support and resistance, you will definitely short Bitcoin. But there are also exceptions. Me as a person, I won't just short Bitcoin only because the price has reached a resistance. Do you understand? I will have to look at volume. See, this is how to check volume. Just come to indicator on your trading view and click on volume or search for volume, right? Search for volume on your trading view. Your trading view. So this is volume here. I showed you guys that volume earlier. show you guys. This is volume. So once Bitcoin actually hits 73K, I will monitor the volume, the kind of money that is actually entering. Is the volume reducing from then? If the volume is reducing, that means that it is very much possible that Bitcoin will reverse and bounce back from that resistance. But if the volume is strong and it is building up crazy volume, it's building up crazy volume, and the RSI is in like 90 or 80, my dear traders, I will stay back a little bit. Do you know why? Do you know why I will stay back? Because I see that the volume is strong. The buying force is strong. So it's very possible that even when I place my short trade, it might not come true. Or even if I want to place a short trade at that moment, it will be a short-term short trade. Is anyone with me? That's basically how to trade support and resistance. Now let's leave all of this theory and let's go into the real markets, right? I think we were analyzing OP. We have less than 15 minutes to finish this. So we are analyzing OP. Look at this, the market has started coming back now. I really love this night. It's crazy. I really love tonight. I love this night. Right. So look at the markets right now. It's already coming down. It's already coming down back. But in my opinion, the market is still bullish anyways. It's just those short-term short traders. If you check your 15 minutes time frame now, you see them. The short-term short traders, see, it's just 15 minutes. After some time, the markets will come back up. Right? Markets will come back up. Now, I want you to understand that when I'll be taking tonight's trade, it might not be according to the strategies I've taught you, right? It might not be according to the strategies I've taught you, because I just want to enter that trade and show you how Bybit actually works. And that reminds me, if you are not trading on Bybit, immediately after this session, our Bybit registration link will be posted on the group or wherever you join this webinar from, right? You should go and register on Bybit with that link. Do you understand? You can see then we were shouting, register on Bybit, register on Bybit. Now, just because our Bybit users, they claim they are not going on Bybit, they got $80 extra free airdrop. That is what you get when you are trading with Bybit. Do you understand? You get a lot of bonus. There are a lot of bonus. In fact, I went to the reward system one day and I was like, wow. So I have this much reward system. But again, I really don't have time to be checking and be doing those challenges once in a while or doing all those things. But if you are a trader that you are just building up your portfolio, you don't have more than $100 or $200 in your portfolio, you should actually be checking those reward system on Bybit. Check those reward system, participate in challenges so that you can see how you can get more money and make more money from the Bybit app. Do you understand? Do you understand? So please and please. I think the total amounts that Bybit actually airdropped on their own was around $25 million. Crazy money. $25 million. They airdropped this for their users, like $80 per person each. $80 per person. And this is also what you need to know about that airdrop. If you don't claim it until the 16th of next month, then you will not be able to have access to it again. So you must use it to trade. And if you want to use it to trade, use the support and resistance method I taught you guys, right? Now, let's use our support and resistance method to take this trade. We have this trade on OP, right? Now, currently I'm looking at OP USDT charts. If I'm trying to draw something like a support and resistance on this chart, although it's not going to be so smooth, but we'll still see what we can do. You can see that that's a support line. The price touches once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, almost touches 5 times here. Now, we are going to have our resistance on top, right? Now, our resistance is going to be somewhere here. Let me just make use of this thing to draw that. And horizontal array. Yeah, this is where our resistance is going to be. Are you with me? This is where our resistance is going to be. Let's make the resistance match up with this guy, right? Let's make our resistance match up with this guy, right? So you can see the reason why I match up this resistance is because the price touched this once here. Look at it. The price touched this once here. Are you guys with me at all? Price touched resistance once here, touched it again twice here. So this level is automatically a resistance. And again, the price came back up here. It's almost touched it here again. So it's actually a valid level. And right now, this is exactly where the price now reversed back. Right? Now, what do we want to do here according to support and resistance, my dear traders? We want to short. We want to short. We want to short. We want to short. We want to short this coin. Want to short it at this entry level, and probably our take profit will just be small, something here. Then our stop loss. Remember your risk to reward ratio as well. At least you should be having a 2:1, something like that. Want to short. You understand? You want to short. Want to short. Do you see that now? Want to short. But put it in mind, it's a short-term short. In the end of the at the end of the day, long term, the market is still going upward, right? So it's a short-term trade. You understand? Just like a quick trade. Are you with me? Just like a quick trade. So now I want to short. If we want to impose this kind of short entry, yeah. If we want to input something like this, we'll first come here, we'll change this to OP, right? We'll change this to OP. Yeah. So this is OP, right? This is OP. And then we want to short OP. The entry level is the ash color, the stop loss is the red color, and the take profit is the green color, right? Now let's input all of these entry levels when we want to short the coin. Yeah, entry level is at 2.8. 2.8. $2.8, right? Now, before we even input everything in, you need to understand these margin modes. Since you are just a beginner, I just start to just use isolated. It will help you to manage your risk more. And even if you get liquidated, it's just small amounts or the amount you get enter that trade with. Do you understand? And then your leverage, this leverage is currently set to 10 times, but it basically means that our $25, how many times do you want to multiply it? We can make that $25 look like $2,500. Do you know how? If we multiply it, if we use a 10 times leverage, think about it. No, what am I saying? 25, 25 times 10. Sorry. That's $250, right? If we use a 10 times leverage, this is when we use a 100 times leverage, I think. 100 times leverage is never available here. But if we use 100 times leverage, then that $25 can become 2,500. But again, you don't want to be using high leverage because of risk. Do you understand? And again, Seb, I would like to start with you guys with 2x leverage. I want you guys to start with 2x leverage. Me, myself, I started with 1x leverage before I now advance to 10x leverage. And I'm never going higher than 10x leverage. I've always said that thing in my classes. I'm never going higher than that. So now we have it here. This is 2x leverage, right? So at $25 now, we won't input $25 here again. We'll just calculate is $25 multiplied by 2 times leverage. That's $50. That's our position size. That's what we want to enter that trade with. That's our position size, right? That's our position size. Now, the next thing we want to do now is to click on this TPSL, right? Click on this TPSL. So now our $25 is now like a $50. Do you understand? And then we input our TPSL. Let's go and check our training view for that. So our TP is at 2.6. Stop loss is at 2.8. 2.6, 2.8. Right? 2.6, 2.8. Since it's short, you click on short here. And then take profit is 2.6. Short is predicting that the price of the coin will go lower. And then 2.8 for stop loss, right? Now, next thing we want to do is confirm. Click on confirm here. So we click on confirm, right? So we've confirmed that right now, and then let's see it again. So yeah, fine. They are telling us our profit, our expected profits will be $2.94, and then our expected loss will be $0.67. Do you understand? Which is still reasonable. But at the same time, we can as well increase this particular guy right here, this other value, while we still use the same $25 cost. Let me show you how. Let's first increase this leverage. Let's advance to 5 times leverage. 5 times leverage. So let's say we are making use of 5 times leverage. That will be 25 times 5, right? That's $125 for entry. That's when $25. So automatically it will still be costing us $25. Now, in this instance, let's check our TPSL. Our TPSL now, our take profit will be $7, and then our stop loss will be what? $1.6. Do you understand? So even if our trade hits stop loss, right? If our trade hits stop loss, we only lose $1.6, and if it hits take profit, I will make up to $7, right? So you can play with it like that. Do you understand? Yes, you can play with it like that. In fact, you can even use $200. Do you understand? You can use $200. It depends on how distant. Let's try a 10 times leverage. That should be around 250 if you are using 10 times leverage. Let's try 10 times leverage. But note that the higher your leverage, the higher your profits, and the higher your stop loss as well. So that should be $250. So now let's check our TPSL again. Now, if the trade hits take profits, we'll win $14.2. But if it hits stop loss, we'll lose $3.9, right? So click on confirm. That one is still very much reasonable. You understand? It's still very much reasonable. So fine. The next thing we want to do is to click on buy long. What's our other entry again? Okay, we set our market. We should actually set our entry for limit too. It should be limit because we had a limit entry price here. That's 2.8. 2.8 is our limit entry, right? So where is it again? Yeah. So our limit is 2.8. Other price 2.8. 2.8, right? So let's see. Okay, I think we have to set the TPSL again. For short trade, our take profit trigger was 2.6. Are you guys seeing this? Our stop loss trigger is 2.8. 2.8, yeah. So you can clearly see that if the trade goes our way, oh sorry, our stop loss was at, what was our stop loss? Stop loss at 2.89, or let's just say stop loss at 2.9. Let's just say stop loss at 2.9. 2.9. So if the trade hits stop loss, we'll only be losing $8.9, and if it hits take profit, we'll be making $7.8. So we click on confirm now, right? We click on confirm, $50. Now, we want to take our long. What will we do next? We will click on buy long. Are you with me? It's telling us the risk alert, blah 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 blah. Just confirm. Yes, limits buy. No. It's not limits buy. It is limit shorts. Sell shorts. We are shorting the coin. We are shorting the coin. So 2.8, 2.6 was our TP. Let me confirm it again. You have to double check most times. Fine. So now sell shorts. Do you understand? Yeah. So it's telling us our, what is it called? Just telling us to confirm. So you click on confirm. You can see the whole money we are using to enter. The other cost is just our $25, right? $25, and then the other value is like $250. Do you understand now? And it's isolated, 10 times leverage. Click on confirm. So once that is done, the order will be automatically submitted. So if you check current orders, yeah. If you check current orders, you can clearly see it here, 89.2. Look at it. This is the order. Now, what this means is that if OP goes to $2.8, right? If OP goes to $2.8, it will trigger this short for us. It will open this short for us. Do you understand now? Are you with me? It will automatically open this short for us if it gets to $2.8. But right now it's at 2.76. But I really want to enter a trade so that you guys can see it. So I'll just make this market. Let me see if I can change this to market, or just set the current, what is it called, 2.769. Let me see if I can set 2.769. 2.769, right? So mark. So let's see if it's going to trigger now. Come on. I really want it to trigger. So it should trigger any moment from now. It should trigger any moment from now. Any moment from now. 2.769. Come on. Are you guys getting these? Are you guys getting these at all? Are you guys getting this at all? So right now we just want to short the coin, but it's temporarily, it's short term. It's short term. So basically, your $50 that is there, once you keep on using this thing to trade and trade and trade and trade and trade, you definitely make profits from those trades that you are taking. Do you understand? You definitely make profits from those trades. So this thing, it doesn't want to hit our entry. Probably I should just set another one and set market price or something. Imagine. Let me just set another short entry and set market price. Let's see. Our market price would have been the best. Okay, market price it is. So yeah, markets $250. You just need to enter $250. You don't need to enter the price at which you want to enter in market. Do you understand? Click on shorts, take profits 2.6, stop loss is 2.9, right? So at the end of the day, we'll be using no, was that our stop loss? Okay, according to the current market price, I understand. 2.9. So where is that confirmed? Yeah. So once you confirm with the other value, we just click on sell shorts, right? Yeah, we click on sell shorts. We'll click on confirm. So automatically, fine. Automatically, it has already entered a short trade for us, right? It has already entered a short trade for us. And you can see that short trade in our open position. Look at it here. This is the short trade. This is the open position. Look at it, it's $250. We shorted this with $250. Our entry price was 2.7581. Mark price currently is now 2.7607. Liquidation price, if I thought the market is going up and up and up and up, might get liquidated at $3. That's if we didn't set stop loss. But we already set our stop loss to 2.9. So even before it gets to that price, we would have left the trade. Do you understand? With a minimal loss. Do you understand now? So that's it. So 25.13. And then this is the current profit. That's unrealized minus $0.5. Do you understand? That's minus $0.5. It's currently in the minus area. But if the price of this coin actually goes downwards more, right? If it goes down, then we can definitely see some profits. Do you understand? We can definitely see some profits. Now, I think I've actually treated strategies with you guys. So you guys should now be able to take trades, either open, long, or take a short trade, right? You guys should now understand that perfectly now. So I think that's that about that, right? That's that about that. The next thing you need to know is that the cryptocurrency trading market is probabilistic. So even as we set up this trade, we are not sure what will happen, right? Anything can happen. That is why it's called crypto. The trade might go our way, it might not go our way. The reason why we are setting stop losses, in case it doesn't go our way. Do you understand? In case it doesn't go our way, that's why we are setting stop loss. Do you understand now? In case this market doesn't go our way, that's why there is a stop loss. You can see it right there. You can see the stop loss right there. So in case it doesn't go our way, but if it does, congratulations to us. We take profit. Do you understand? We take profit. So that's it. That's it. So I hope I've been able to do justice to everything with you guys right now. Yeah. So if you have any question, just ask them in the comment section. If you have any question, let me stop sharing my screen right now. If you have any question, just ask them in the comment section, and then I will answer your question. If you've sent in your question before, kindly resend it to. Okay, I'm saying Max Odogu's question. I hope I got that right. He said, I want to know and understand, is it when the bear candlestick breaks out, we long it, while when the bull candlestick breaks out, we short it? The strategy I showed you guys is not about a candlestick. There's candlestick strategy is something different. That one is something else entirely, whereby you probably use an engulfing pattern or Kimiko pattern or Kimiko pattern. What I just showed you is support and resistance. Do you understand? And it's not just about a red or a green candlestick. It's about the levels where this candlestick are. Do you understand? I drew a resistance and support level. If the price gets to the support level, long it from there. If it gets to the resistance level, short it from there. That's basically what I did. It's almost like the law of gravity. Anything that goes up must come down. That's why you short it at resistance. But in support, anything that is down, it will still definitely go up. Do you understand? Eh? So that's it. Someone wants me to take a trade on TRB. TRB is not for futures. Oh. TRB is not for futures. It's very, very volatile. TRB is very, very volatile. TRB is coins that you buy on spot. Do you understand? That coin showed me shaggy. TRB. You will see those long weeks. It will just cut your stop loss. Fiam. Before you know it, the market is already going your way. TRB. Be careful, oh. Just trade TRB on spots. That coin is too volatile, I beg. Too volatile. Maybe I will analyze it. Maybe I'll analyze it. Miracle, if you need to see it again, just rewatch this particular session. Do you understand? The same link that brought you here will bring you to rewatch it. Do you understand? Uh, Someone said, how do you take profits? I already said TP level when I was setting that trade now. Yes, sure, Chinelo, you can always revisit the video. You can always revisit the video. If the trade already passed the entry, there will be another signal now, Chinelo. There will always be another signal. If the trade already passed the entry, there will be another signal. Or you wait. Do you understand? If the price now gets to that entry back, you now enter. But you can just easily set your. You see how I set my limits there, where I was waiting for 6 points. Google to go. I mean, what was it called? You see how I was waiting for it. I was waiting for it at that point now. So that's it, anyways. That's it, anyways. So that's that about that. It's been a wonderful time with you guys. It's been a wonderful time with you guys. Yeah. Yeah, so it's been a wonderful time with you guys. Thank you very much for tonight's session. Yeah, volume is very important. Adewale, volume is very, very important. Volume is important. When you see that volume is increasing, trust me, the price is about to increase. Yes, now the future signals are for longing and shorting trades. Do you understand? Good evening, Chukwemeka. Are you just coming in? Are you just joining? So, guys, that's it. Thank you very much for attending this session. It's been a nice time with you guys. We are definitely going to see next time right here on CryptoBase Media again. Do you understand? So thank you very much for attending. I hope you learned a thing or two from this session. Someone asked the question again: how to be a perfect trader on how to know whether to long or short? Can you share some of your little strategies that work more than one time? See, my little strategy that have worked more than one time is what I've just explained. Support and resistance. It works like charm. For real, it works like charm. But as I said, the crypto market is unpredictable. It can happen, it might not be happen. Yes, OP is long, OP is going up. It's going against us. I said it's shorting anything at this point is very, very dangerous. So we just use that one to take a lesson. That's by the way. Just leave that one, I beg. You don't go. You don't go. I've already closed the trade anyways. I've closed the trade. I've closed the trade. So that's it. Bye bye, everyone. See you all next time. Thank you very much for attending this session. Bye for now.